I'm so proud and I'm crazy because both of them are made by Sichuan, made by China.
Hello everyone, this is our old friend Tommy from SSCC. After more than 10 hours flight from Chengdu, Egypt, we arrived in 50 minutes. This is my first time to Egypt and also my first time to everything. I'm so excited and also exhausted. Let's go what happened in Egypt.
We finally arrived in Egypt.
I'm curious about what kind of Sichuan stories are unfolding on the ancient land of Egypt. We have found a machinery manufacturing company from Sichuan, where engineers from Sichuan and local Egyptians are working together as brothers.
They was need some engineers have the experience with steel structure fabrication. Now maybe I have a very good experience in the fabrication. They go to China. Now I have the procedures, how to handle this. Now no problem about the fabrication here. The Chinese man, not only the engineer, the Chinese man, I see him, they working very hard. They have a very good teamwork and they know how to follow the leader. Our culture is different, but maybe the same, not for everything, but we can deal with each other.
Do you have any landscape or museum recommend in Egypt?
Landscape? To visit?
Permits.
Of course.
Standing before the Sphinx and the three pyramids, people can't help but to marvel at the mysteries and the splendor of the ancient Egypt.
在这个金字塔边上的狗，大家可以看一下，就这边的狗主打一个就是不想工作，不想经营。
When the sunset kisses the waters of the Nile River, a sense of tranquility washes this ancient land. This is Tommy, and my Egyptian adventure is beginning. Yes, some of you have known that I'm in Egypt, Africa, but you will never know my location now. The Suez Canal, one of the most famous and busiest canals in the world. On my left hand is Africa, and on my right hand is Asia. To be more specific, I'm on the El-Ferdan old bridge, and on my right hand there is another bridge called the El-Ferdan new bridge. I'm so proud and I'm crazy because both of them are made by Sichuan, made by China.
这个桥的目前情况，它首先是跨度平转桥跨度是世界之最，这个整个跨度是340米，这第一个。第二个，这个桥因为它整个是钢结构平转桥，它所有的像铁路锁紧，我们是自主研发申请的专利。然后目前比如说我的插销，这个在从重量上来说是世界之最，然后从尺寸也是世界之最，而且这个桥是由于是平转。整个桥的中心，它的整个下面的一个 roller， 我们叫支座，这个从尺寸和重量来说都是世界之最。
We are very proud to have done it. We join really Africa and Asia, and across the channel. It's a very big project, also not for engineering, but maybe for people. Well, the architectural aspect in this kind of structure, of course, are important. The railway and the traffic of the rain is very impressive for the structure, for the formation, and moreover here we have a lot of problem with thermal effect and wind, and so all these aspects have lead our design in a way to ensure the best solution for a structure. We have had a very good impression from the team we have had with the design and the construction on site. Is a very good experience from that. Very good enterprise, very good people. We have had a very good experience, really.
The pink house behind me is the Egyptian museum that had many mummies and treasures is in it. Let's go have a look. After visiting the Egyptian museum, I was truly amazed by the incredible collections of ancient Egypt. The exhibits showcased the rich history and civilization of Egypt, from the mesmerizing mummies to the stunning pharaoh's treasure. It was a captivating experience that brought the past to life.